Hey guys, welcome to Interior Creations. Today's DIY is a very simple wall decor. For this we need a canvas board, pair of scissors, sellotape, white acrylic paint, bunch of straws, gold and black spray paint. First, cut the sellotape to the desired length. I have cut it a bit smaller than the board. Place in on a flat surface with the sticking part on top. Now take the straws and start cutting them in equal length. Length can be of your choice. Then start placing them on the sellotape. You can have any pattern of your choice. After completing the pattern, I spray painted it gold. Look how beautiful it looks. I then painted the board white with acrylic paint so that when I spray paint the board later it should stay on the board perfectly. Once the board was dried, I spray painted it with black and a tinge of gold on it. It looked amazing. I pasted my straw pattern to the board with a strong glue. It was very easy for me to fix it as I already had sellotape attached to it. I have put simple strip lights on the back of the boards. It looks stunning. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button.